The 2026 Bugatti Chiron SUV is finally making waves as it marks Bugatti's daring entrance into the ultra-luxury SUV segment. Spotted recently during testing on European roads, the all-new Chiron SUV blends the brand's signature hypercar DNA with the versatility and practicality of a sport utility vehicle. With a bold, upright stance and a wide, aggressive profile, this model signals Bugatti's commitment to redefining performance and luxury in a new format. The design moves away from sleek coupe lines and adopts a more muscular, squared silhouette. The front windshield is more vertical, while the rear end is sculpted to enhance space and aerodynamic stability. At the rear, the taillights are now wider and incorporate Bugatti's signature LED light strip, creating a broad and commanding presence. Up front, the SUV features slim LED headlights, flanking the iconic horseshoe grille, while a full-width light bar emphasizes the vehicle's futuristic character. A wide lower grille and aggressive vents give the front a performance-focused attitude. The new design language borrows from the Chiron hypercar, but is reimagined for SUV proportions, balancing presence, elegance, and purpose in every line. Along the sides, the Chiron SUV adopts a dynamic yet upright profile, with bold rear haunches and a floating roofline that adds to its exotic appeal. The signature C-shaped Bugatti styling element remains, seamlessly integrated into the SUV's side panels. Large carbon fiber wheel arches frame massive performance wheels, while active aerodynamics and advanced materials further enhance the vehicle's performance capabilities. Around the back, the taillights wrap around the corners, contributing to an athletic and planted look that maintains stability and width on the road. Under the hood, the 2026 Chiron SUV brings a revolutionary twist. It will debut as a high-performance hybrid. Bugatti is expected to equip it with a newly developed plug-in hybrid system, combining a V8 engine and electric motors, producing well over 1,000 horsepower. This setup allows for blistering acceleration, while still offering a degree of electric-only driving for short urban trips. A fully electric driving range of around 40 miles is anticipated, with overall efficiency surprisingly competitive given its performance class. Performance figures are expected to rival top hyper SUVs, with a 0 to 60 mph time of under 3 seconds and a top speed nearing 200 miles per hour. Torque vectoring all-wheel drive, adaptive suspension, and carbon ceramic brakes will likely come standard, making this SUV as capable on twisty roads as it is on the Autobahn. Inside, the Chiron SUV will offer the pinnacle of luxury, blending Bugatti's bespoke craftsmanship with state-of-the-art technology, plush seating for 4, and advanced driver assistance features. The official reveal of the 2026 Bugatti Chiron SUV is expected toward the end of this year, with production models rolling out by mid-2026. Pricing is rumored to start well above $300,000, positioning it squarely among the most exclusive and elite SUVs ever created.